Hello guys, this is Ivan speaking here. Here we are trading with my latest new strategy. This is number 20, jubilar number, and here we can see one trade. Of course, I will not explain here why and how I entered this trade, what are the conditions we need to enter the trade, how to use it. Of course, you will find in a training video, which you will get if you want to use, if you want to have this new my strategy. So this is my new strategy. It works from M15 time frame to even daily if you want, but the best results I am making M15, 30 minute, and sometimes also 1 hour you can use. It is not problem. So easy to use, the rules are very easy. It is very accurate, very simple. If you are even very new trader, guys, you can learn it so easy. With this, guys, you will learn to trade really as a pro. You can use this strategy every day on all assets. You can open 10, 15, 20 on different time frames I explained, and it's safe, 90% accuracy if you use it correctly according to the rules, which you will find in training video, which you will get after buying it. So it is the first announce of this number 20. I will give you a special pre-order price, valid today and tomorrow, only 90, sorry, some mistake. So pre-order price is 99 euro. And you will get training video in which you will find all tips and tricks and the rules. It is super easy. I can say that everybody can learn it and make money. You see, even in one trade, guys, even in one trade, you will return this investment. It is really not expensive, considering that you will learn to trade with this strategy really as a pro. A regular price is after, so today and tomorrow 99, but the regular price will be 199 after. So it is up to you. I am giving you chance for small amount to learn how to trade, to master one of my strategies and make money. Even I'm thinking also about later, not maybe this month, next month, to make EA of this strategy. So trader, automated version of this strategy, because if you don't have time to watch, I don't know, 20 pairs, waiting for the setup, for the rules to be confirmed, then EA will help you to automate this system, because everything will be done by the expert advisor. And all of you guys which will pay this pre-order price of 99, so 99, will get for free expert advisor or a trader. So it is a possibility, guys, that really for only 99 euros, guys, you get my new strategy, number 20, and the expert advisor or trader automated version of this for free when it comes. Remember that also the same case we have with my strategy number 16. And now you see this is automated version of M16, my strategy number 16. So in the same way it will be with my strategy number 20. Believe me, when the expert advisor will come, the price will be nearly 300 euros. So now, unique chance today and tomorrow for 99, get my strategy with rules, with training video, and when comes new expert advisor based on this strategy. So guys, 99 today and tomorrow. Bye bye.